So today we're going to be doing human benchmark, which is a human test of sorts. So is me as a cuber good at it? Let's see. So reaction time test. Okay. Waiting for green. Okay. The average is around 200 ms. 271. 240. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure I'm gonna be good at this. 305. That is it's not good. Maybe VMCuber doesn't have a reaction time. Let's see where the other ones go. So for the next one, sequence memory test. Let's see what the average is. It's around 9, 8. It's around the averages. Let's see if I can beat that. Okay. Z is far. Okay. I do blind, so I think that may help with the memory, but try to see. 7. Okay, I'm doing good. Well, I'm doing really fast actually. I suggest you guys at home should also try this out and see if you can beat my times. Okay, 10. Okay, I'm around average at this point. Oh, 10. It's kind of average. I guess I'm trash. So maybe the third one. Aim train. I gotta hit 30 targets as quick as possible. The average here is around, let's go, 400 ms. Okay, let's do this then. I play Minecraft, so you need good aim for that, so I guess. And I am on tablet, so there is a advantage, but as well. Okay, 41. I'm doing that again, bro. That was so trash. Okay. Nice PvP skills are coming in. Touch it. $527. Well, I'm not very good. Well, let's see go to the fourth one now. Okay, so we're doing number memory now. The average person can remember 7 numbers at once. Can you do more? It looks here the average is around 9. Okay, let's see. 8. That's easy. 8. Submit. Okay, level 1 is done. 62. 2 letters, I can do that. Oh, I'm trying that. I put the wrong number in. Okay, 7. Okay. That's correct. 72. Make sure I press the numbers correctly this time. Okay. Level 2 is done. 270. Okay. So it's gonna be 100. Okay. 6764. I'll just remember 74. I'll put 6 in the front of that. Okay. 67664. In mobile number like 9 letters, so numbers, so people remember those, so this shouldn't be hard. 84075. Okay, this is seriously simple, man. 638413. Okay, 638413. 638. If I do this one, then I'm better than the average human. 4161165. 4161165. Okay, 4161165. Okay, I did that. So if I do this, then I'm really good. 16397981. 16397981. Okay, it's good. 821368160. I can't do this. 8213880. Oh, it was, oh my god, it was a little bit like that. Okay, level 9. Let's do the next one then. Save the score. Okay, guys, so this one is a verbal memory test. So I'll be shown words one at a time to see if it's seen or new. Average is around 30 points. Let's see what I can do. New, new, seen, new, new, seen, new, 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 seen, new, new, seen. Oh, I got it wrong. Seen, 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 new, seen, new, seen, 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 new, seen, new, new. Oh, 42 words. That's not bad. Let's see how much top percent I am in. I'm in the top 60 for that. Okay, this is not very. So, guys, this is Are You Smarter Than a Chimpanzee? Studies have found that chimpanzees do this better than humans. 9 digits over 90% of the time. Let's see this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? I pressed the correct thing. I think I should do a little slowly just in case it's not registered on my tabs. I am on an iPad, so. Okay, 10. Okay. I'm not even looking at them for like more than 2 seconds, max. What? I pressed the correct. Okay, 11. Let's see how do I rank. Oh, top 59% of people. I'm not good. I was good at the aim trainer. Top 25% of people. I guess I'm. So this is a visual memory test. I have to memorize the squares. Average is around 10, but there's a what do you call it? Spike at 14 for some reason. That's easy. Oh, God, add more things. So like it flashes, then you can like just remember for like 4 seconds. Okay, that's gonna pass. Oof. There's a cross here, so I can just remember that. So like when after it flashes, it just feels like for a second you can still see it. Let's go. This is actually kind of easy. Okay, I got. So let's realize. I think if you miss 3 tiles on a level, then it takes away a life. Okay, 11. Oh my god, I'm doing really good. Oh, why am I? How am I? I lost a life. Oh, do one more. Oh god, this is not. Yeah, I don't. How? Oh my god, I have one life left. Oh my god, I'm at level 16. Oh. Oh, 16. Let's see how I do there. This is really fun actually. Top 94% of people. I thought this is how I did, guys. You can take a screenshot, send it to grandma, whatever. I did bad at visual memory, but I really feel like I did good. In an aim turner though, top 25%. I'm better than 1 in 4 people, I'm gonna do it again, just see if I can do better. $472, bro. How good is that? Top 38%. I did worse. Oh my god, bro. Anyways, that's it for me. Peace out.